Maybe I should switch around my Kickstarter, right? My primary goal is I know everything's going to work out at the end. I really do. I think my primary goal is to raise $1.4 million. 1.4 million actually should be my goal. And what will they get for the 1.4 million? Well, they'll get to own the building that my house is in, that my apartment is in, so I don't have to be so freaking scared every single day whether or not they're going to come up with any excuse because they're always, oh, you painted your apartment and when you leave, you're going to have to paint it back. But I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I ain't leaving on my own. I'm going to pay my rent all the time. But what happens if there's a day that something happens and they just want it for themselves? And there's all kinds of laws that'll stop them. There's no amount of money, I think. I always want this to stay alive. If somebody else owns it, I want it to stay alive. I want it to make something. I want it to mean something over time. They gave me a zero rating, to make it. Oh, he can't do this and he can't do that because they don't know. We underestimate. When we put our mind to something, you see, good golly, Mother of Jesus, I saw in the sky. She reverberated to me. She vibrated. I saw a talking horse. I didn't even see the horse. The minute I saw the lady in the sky, she was wearing the same outfit as the Columbia pictures. Then I saw online Pegasus, and then I found out Pegasus was 7286. So I don't know how it all happened, but the primary source is the reverberation or the vibration that came inside me that told me all this during a restricted time of my life. What I want to bring up is this design over here. We spoke about 10 by 10 in the last video. Now it's 12 by 12 because if I turn and go around the center, right? In the center one, where's the center? The line is right here in the center. If I go around that line this way, I become standing up. This is my size that I fit. If I fit the size, I must go around. You see the bottom part of the center is here, so I have to take everything in its path. I have to take two half areas. Okay, I get one free area, 3, 4, 5 areas, 2 and 2, 1 and 1. You want to say 8 this way, 8 this way. Which way is your 8? Which one is really the 8? This one looks more like the HI. The HI. See, putting everything square. But this one looks more like the 0, 0. You see, you want to create the HI. You see your H and your I. This way, when I put these two together, I can't make an HI. The I is in between. I'm not connecting. I'm connecting the four corners instead of the two sides. In this one over here, it shows me the difference between red and black because 2, 4, 6, 8 in roulette will create this. 1, 3, 1, 3, 7, and 9 will create the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 will create the red. This design will show me more area space. You see the way I just get onto this side over here? So we're going to count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6 areas will live. We need at least 6 areas. Out of 9, we need 6 areas and 2 half areas to make life. And underneath here is going to make a face of an owl or something. It's almost like the head of an owl. But in the front are the eyes and the nose, right? Although the head is from here to here, because the nose is the end of the head. Although it goes, you know what I'm saying? It goes all the way down to here. That's the end of the head. So if the earth was flat or round, the oceans would be all the way out here, right? You notice it's all flat at the end of the world. The whole end of the world is flat. It's above the oceans. Everything's sitting in the ocean. It's all flat. And you got to go up, 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 because it's higher than sea level, because things are tilted. Things are tilted. Higher than sea level. Things are moving, tilted, certain angles. Anyways, so we end up with that we only get one free area plus 1 half plus 1 half, 1 and a half, 1 and a half, 1 and a half, 1 and a half. Here we live with 1 that gets 1 half area and 1 half area. It gets none of this area. This is this and this area. This does not get any of this. This gets these two and this gets these two. And that's how they share amongst themselves. Obligations, obligations. What do I search out in this? But the truth is, this is the Monopoly board. First area, you get 8 around 1. The next area is 16, but area 8 is already taken. You have 16. You have over here, if there's a total of 16, 8 is here, 1 is here. You have a total of 17. 8 around here, and 16 around here. 16 and 8, 4 times 4, 4 plus 4 from area 2 and area 3. Reverse it, 7 goes to 1, you get 7, 1, you get 2, 6, you get 3, 5. 3, 5, what's moving in between? 4. If it was water, then 4 we're going to ignite 3 and 5. We have We have 1 and 3 around Venus, okay? We have Jupiter over here. You fill up this water. Venus operates in Jupiter, controlling 1 and 3. We've got some TV antennas. Let's watch some TV. B&E, getting ready for JC. Let's do it. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I need to grow. I need to expand. I need to connect. When I am in the realm, I can connect anything and everything and tell stories along with it. The more words I know, the more numerological words I know, the more I will grow. The more geometrical scales I learn, the more I will connect the numerological values or have those around me who can just say, I know all these elements and have others to work with me. Turn around the numbers. You know everything. I'm just fitting, here's the pieces, and we're putting all these numbers together. What's missing? How did man differ from elephant? How does man differ from monkey? How come? And all these questions, we know we can answer them because you already know. You're down to the nitty gritty, missing that final calculation of how, and we know that it will be answered one day. How it is what it is. Raphael, coming to you from the House of Paint. I'm here forever and ever and ever. Waking up is not that hard to do. Thank you for watching this video. Raphael, 7286, constellation of Pegasus, under the two sun systems. Get smart. 86, Jupiter, 99. 99 runs Venus. Thank you very much, because it's a two-phase. Venus takes up this side and that side because Venus is in the center. Right? There's just so many numbers. Thank you for watching.